The Cosmic Microwave Background, CMB, cold spot is a large, unusually cold region in the CMB radiation, which is the afterglow of the Big Bang. Discovered in 2004 and confirmed by the Planck satellite, it spans about 1.8 billion light-years in the constellation Eridanus. This area is significantly cooler than the average CMB temperature, posing a mystery for cosmologists. Possible explanations include the presence of a supervoid, a massive region with fewer galaxies and less matter, which causes SIM photons to lose energy while passing through. Other theories suggest it could be a statistical anomaly or evidence of exotic phenomena, such as interactions with other universes. The cold spot challenges our understanding of the universe's structure